Hello guys, welcome to fx channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a simple EA with 3 EMAs. So let's get started. New project. So we name our EA 3 EMA. 3 EMA. So constant input. So the first EMA is EMA 5. So we say EMA 5. We name it this way. The next is EMA 12. And the last one is EMA 30. So EMA 5, we put 5 here, then 12 and 30, and then we update it. So now we come to block here, big no position, and then one space bar. Connect the two blocks, and then we go to condition blocks. So we right click on it here instead of pattern 5, click it. So we are using exponential, not simple, so we choose exponential. So we see when EMA 5 is above EMA 30, that's the first condition. And then the time frame, at this time we are going to say use 30 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame for this very condition. Then you update it. So instead of picking another block, let's just duplicate this, and then we will click and paste it. So now we are going to insert it again, and then at this time we're going to say when EMA 5 is below EMA 30, that's for the third condition. Then we update and connect the blocks. So the next condition, we're going to choose the same EMA 5. We're going to say when it crosses above EMA 12. Now we leave it at the current time frame. We're not going to change the time frame here. So, and then we update it. Right click, copy it, paste it, and then we edit it here. Now I'm going to say when it crosses below EMA 5, crosses below EMA 12, and then we update. Connect the blocks. Now we're going to pick the buy and sell block. Sell now. Connect connect the two blocks. Let's set our take profit. This is stop loss. Let's choose let's say 25, and then let's say 40. Let's say 40, and then we update it. For the sell tool, going to say this is 25, and then 40 pips for the take profit, and then we update it. So we are done with the robot. 3 EMA EA, let's put it this way, 3 EMA EA. So let's download this EA and backtest it, and then you see the result. Downloaded. So go to our download folder. Here's the EA. Copy it. Then go to our MT5. MQL5. Then we paste our EA here. So come to expert, right click on it and refresh it. Then here's our EA. So come to view. So we're going to backtest within a period of 1 month, just 1 month. 1st January 2025 to January 30th. So initial deposit 10,000 USD. Then let's backtest and see. Okay, backtest ended. Initial deposit 10,000 USD is 262 profit. So thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in our next video.